Many people spend tens of thousands of dollars year after year on rent simply because they find it hard to qualify for a traditional mortgage. None of that rent money is helping them in the long run. It's not getting them any closer to owning a home or having financial or personal stability. As rents are increasing, so is the waste of money. But now, there's finally a solution. There is a unique rent-to-own loan program that gives qualified buyers a way to finally become homeowners without the struggle to save up for the down payment, while rents are rising. In this video, we'll cover who this program is for, how it works, what you need to qualify, and how to find out if it's the right fit for your situation. So, who is this program for? It's for people who can afford a home, and that means larger monthly payments than in a typical rental, but don't yet qualify for traditional financing. People who are stuck between renting and buying, and need a realistic way to move forward while they continue preparing for full mortgage approval. Whom this program can help. Self-employed individuals with good income, including people who've recently switched from W-2 to 1099. Buyers with seasonal income, cash income, or sporadic deposits, as long as that income is fairly high. People with lower credit scores but with strong mitigating factors. Individuals with higher debt-to-income ratios, up to 50% or 60%. People who have limited work history, or multiple jobs less than 2 years. Anyone with recent bankruptcies, even as recent as 1 day ago. People recovering from divorce, displacement, or major financial hardship. People using an ITIN or with DACA status. Buyers who've been told they need 15 to 20% down just to be considered. In other words, it's for people who are ready to own, but don't fit the boxes that traditional lenders require. If that sounds like you, keep watching, because this program might give you a real path forward. So how does this program work? It's simple, but it's very different from what most people are used to. The most unique part is this. You can choose from hundreds of homes you see for sale on Zillow, even new construction homes. You're not limited to just old or distressed homes like many rent-to-own programs. In most cases, any home you see listed for sale can be eligible, giving you more flexibility than almost any other path to homeownership, but without needing full loan approval or a huge down payment up front. Once the home you choose is approved, it's purchased for you and on your behalf by a government-approved entity using FHA financing. It's purchased with the intention that you'll become the owner faster than if you just kept renting for another 5-10 years. You start working on your credit or your savings, and when that time comes, you finalize the purchase, and the title transfers to you. What do you need to qualify? You'll need a credit profile. In many cases, a credit score of 580 or higher is enough. But if you're not at 580 credit score yet, don't worry. There are several mitigating factors that can be taken into account. Things like strong income, solid rental history, or low debt can help offset a lower score. And if you don't have much traditional credit, like credit cards or loans, you may still qualify using alternative credit sources, such as rent payments, utility bills, phone bills, or even car insurance. You'll also need to document your income, but the program is extremely flexible in how it allows you to do that. There are also options for people with multiple jobs, short employment history, or even sporadic deposits, as long as we can show that your income is consistent and high enough to afford a mortgage. You'll also need a down payment of 3.5%, plus closing and inclusion costs. So if you're currently spending tens of thousands of dollars every year paying for your landlord's retirement, why keep investing in someone else's wealth? It's time to invest in your own. This program offers a way to stop renting, stabilize your monthly housing costs, and start working toward real ownership, even if you're not mortgage ready yet. You don't need perfect credit. You don't need W-2 income. You don't need a massive down payment. You do not need any upfront fee to get started. All you need is the willingness to take the next step. So if you're serious about exploring your options, call 469-371-4961 or click the link in the description, fill out the short form, and request a consultation. We'll walk through your situation, answer your questions, and help you figure out whether this is the right path for you. Take the first step toward your future home ownership today.